Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a quiz website in WordPress. The platform that I'll be using to create my WordPress website is Infinity Free, as you can use this platform to create a free WordPress website. All you have to do is go onto infinityfree.net, then you're going to tap on sign up now. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you are going to enter your email address and create a password. Then you are going to tap on sign up, and once you have signed up, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you can choose your subdomain. So you can add the name that you would like your WordPress website to have. So for example, I will give my WordPress website name Quiz Tester. Then you can choose the domain extension. So you can choose any one of these options. For this example, I'll select this one right here. Then you are going to tap on check availability. And once the domain name is available, you are going to scroll down, and from here you can see you're going to create an account password. So you can add the password right there. After you have added the password, you are going to tap on create account. Then give it a few seconds and you can see that your account has been created. Then you are going to tap on open control panel. Once the control panel has been opened up, just give it a few seconds. Then you are going to scroll down and you are going to tap on I approve. And give it a few seconds as the panel loads up. After the panel has been loaded up, what I want you to do next is scroll down. You are going to scroll down until you see this option right here. Right below software, you are going to tap on that. And it is going to redirect you to this page. After tapping on that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you're going to see WordPress and you're going to tap on install. And once you have selected install, what I want you to do next is scroll down, and from here you can add an admin username. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to add a password. So let me add a password real quick. After you have added the password, from here you could select a theme. You can select any one of these themes, as you can change the theme afterward. So for example, I'll select this theme right here, then tap on select. Then you'll tap on yes right there. Then you'll tap on install for WordPress to be installed. Once WordPress has been installed, just give it a few seconds. Once WordPress has been successfully installed, as you can see right here, all you have to do now is right where you see administrative URL, you're going to tap on that so we can start editing our new WordPress website and add quiz to our WordPress website. And once on the dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and you are going to select plugins, and you are going to tap on add new. After selecting add new, you are going to go into the search bar, and from here you are going to type in quiz. Then you are going to tap on enter, and you are going to see numerous quiz apps that you can choose from, or quiz plugins that you can choose from. As you can see right here, there are numerous options you can choose from. But for this example, we will select this one right here, Quiz and Survey Master. So we are going to tap on install now. As you can see that it has over 40,000 active installations, and you can see that it is highly rated. and also it is compatible with our version of WordPress as it has been updated in the last 5 days. So we are going to tap on activate. After you have installed the plugin, as you can see right here, Quiz and Survey Master, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, right where you see QSM. You are going to tap on Dashboard. And after selecting Dashboard, what I want you to do next, you are going to scroll down. And from here, we are going to tap on Create New Quiz/Survey. Then you can see templates that you can choose from. Most of these templates, as you can see, you have to be a paid subscriber. So we are going to tap on this one, the default option. So we'll tap on Select. After you have selected it, you are going to tap on Next. And then from here, you are going to add the quiz name. So we'll type in our quiz name, for example, test. Then you can see form type, we'll leave it as quiz. Then you'll see grading system, so correct/incorrect, points or both. We're going to select points. After selecting points, you're going to scroll down. Then you can see enable contact form, display a contact form before quiz. You can leave that as no, or you can select yes, it all depends on you. And you can also see time limit, so you can select the time limit that you'd want to have available to complete the quiz. So for this example, I'll leave it at say 2 minutes. Show question featured in image in result page, I'll leave that as no. Require user login, so you could require that the users have to be logged in to take the quiz. If you want that, you'll select yes. For this example, I'll leave it at no. Display first page on quiz. You can, if you want, you can select yes or no. Enable comment box, you can also enable that if you want. Then you are going to tap on next. And from here you can see you will be able to sync your quiz with Google Sheets if you want. You can also select PayPal and Stripe integration if you want. And you can also save and resume if you want right there. And you can see numerous ways in which you can integrate different apps. But I'll tap on create quiz. And you can give it a few seconds while it is creating the quiz. Once it has finished loaded up, as you can see right here, now all you have to do, as you can see, edit your description. So from here you can type your question. So for example, a quick example, I'll type, what's your name? This is just an example, by the way. After doing that, from here you could add your answer. So you can type in the different answers. Then you'll add new answer right there. And you can add multiple answers. Then you can also select the point option. If you had selected points option, or if you wanted, you could have selected correct or incorrect. So for this example, I'll use the point options right here. And then you will select correct answer info. So you're going to tap on that. And from here, you could add the correct answer. And you can also add a comment box if you want. And you can also add a hint if you want. Then you can also add featured image by going over to the right hand menu option, as you can see right here. And then you can also select whether you want it to be multiple choice, or you want multiple response, or you want number and date, text. You can select any one of these options that you would like your quiz to be. And you'll see answer type, text answers, or rich answers, or image answers. You can select any one of these options. Once you are finished, you can tap on add question if you would like to add more questions. And then you'll tap on save question. And as I said, you can add more questions if you want by simply tapping on add more questions in the bottom right hand corner. And after you have done that, you'll be able to add another question, as you can see right here. Your new question, you'll be able to type in the question that you want, and you can also type in the answer that you want right there. And after you're finished, you'll tap right where you see add question again if you would like to add more questions. And after adding the questions, you can see the top menu option right here. You can tap on contact if you want. And from here, as I said earlier, you can add a contact field if you want, show contact form after quiz if you want, and then you will also see the text option. So from here, you will see text before quiz. You can add that also if you want, and you can select options. From here, you can select the quiz type that you want and correct answer or not. Then also you can select results pages. So from here, you'll be able to see the results pages for the persons that take the quiz. And you can also change the style of the quiz by tapping on style. So you'll see the different themes as I had shown you earlier. After you're finished creating the quiz, let's just go back to questions right there. After you're finished creating the quiz, as you can see right there, what I want it here, you will see the option test. What I want you to do from here, you're going to go over again to the left hand menu option. Right where you see QSM, you're going to tap on dashboard. After selecting dashboard, you'll be redirected to the quiz page dashboard. And what I want you to do next is tap on view all quizzes. After selecting view all quizzes, you will see the option short code. You are going to tap on that. Then you are going to see embedded short code. You are going to copy it. Then you are going to close out of this. And from here, you can go into posts and you are going to tap on add new post. After doing that, you are going to give the post a name, as this will be the quiz page. So let's close out of this and we are going to give it a title. So I'll give. Okay, once you have typed in the title, let me correct that right there. All you have to do is tap right where you see type to choose a box, and you are going to paste the link. Once you have pasted the link, you will see the short code option. Then from here, you can select preview from the top right hand column. Then you can select preview in new tab. And as you can see right here, this is how the quiz will look. And also you can observe at the top right here, you can see the timer counting down. As remember, I had set a 2-minute timer. So that's it. And you can see you can select your answer. So I'll select the answer right there. Then if I were to tap on submit, you can see it's loading. And you can see right there, retake quiz. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.